Hi dear friends, welcome in Annemays lovely place. It's Annette here, and today it's only the pictures that I did make in the garden and also in my hobby room. And I want to read for you for today. Brighten your corner. If everybody brightened up the spot on which they're standing, by being more considerate and a little less demanding, this dark old world would very soon eclipse this evening star, if everybody brightened up the corner where they are. 2 Samuel 22 verse 29 says, "You, Lord, are my lamp. The Lord turns my darkness into light." The question with this is today, what can be said about how you display the fruit of the Spirit? According to Galatians 5 verse 22 and 23, which says, "But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faith, gentleness, self-control. Against such things there is no law." The prayer for today is, Father, I long to brighten my corner of the world. Help me lay aside my demands, my wants, my wishes, to focus on others. I want to be known as one who is considerate, not one who is self-absorbed. Only you can help me achieve that. When others look at me, Lord, may they see you in my actions, my words, and my smile. Amen. Well, dear friends, I hope you like to see the pictures of my 3 babies that I changed last week. And that was Oliver, Noah, and Yara. So, yeah, I don't think I did change another. Well, anyway, I have made pictures from those 3 in the garden, so that you can enjoy. And I want to wish you a very blessed weekend. Well, a very blessed Sunday when this video is coming on. Enjoy it. Know that I love you all, and I want to say to you, see you soon, and be welcome. And for the ones who need prayer, I will pray for you. Love you all. Bye bye.